Hello everyone. Guys, today I'll show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. Here we have Chrome Remote Desktop on our computer. We log into the same account and download it to our Android phone. Well, it doesn't have to be Android. We open our application and log into the account we need. Here it is. Next on the computer, where the Share Screen button is, click Install Program. This will be like an add-on extension in our browser. Here, it's installing. After that, click Accept and Install and open Chrome Desktop MSI. Now click Generate Code after this. Here's our code. On your Android phone, click Remote Support. Enter the code that we received on the computer. Now it's entered. Click Connect. Connection in progress. Here on the computer, we give permission. And here's our computer. Here we also click Allow and can now use our computer. You can click Stop Sharing. And now I've stopped sharing. That's all. This was Levashov. Goodbye.